Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic that is kids learning process and how we can change it in a better way with playful manner in order to show more interest on education and also how we can make our kids to be very fluent in English. And this video is mainly focused for the people who wants to be fluent in English for a long and the mother who willing to make their kids to be fluent in English and more knowledgeable. So don't skip this video, watch till the end because I have shared some tips with very good example at the end of this video. Before getting to the topic, I want to tell you some problems which I have faced in my learning journey. Whenever I wanted to talk in English in front of people, I feel very nervous and shy. So the words won't come to my mind. I cannot speak in front of people. That is my first problem. The problem number two is I was able to understand what other person is speaking, but I was not able to reply back them. That is my second one. And third, a problem I have faced, I was just escaping from the situation which I have to speak in English. So these are the problem I have faced in my life. I know many of you are facing this problem, I think still. So really, do you want to stick with those problems still in your life? If you're a mother, do you want your kids to get those difficulties in their learning life? As a mother, I don't want my kids to get those difficulties in her life. So I started new methods to implement on education process. First, we have to understand the importance of English because today's world, English is everywhere. If our children learn this language perfectly, they will do anything easily with the help of English because the learning process will be easy for them and they will enjoy this learning process and they can overcome those fears, shyness, hesitations in the learning journey. So, without getting any delay, let's get into the topic. I will tell you the right method to make our kids to be fluent in English and get more knowledge in their learning process. First, we have to make our kids to listen something which is in English. First, we have to give listening practice, then move on to speaking practice, then writing, then reading. So these are the process we have to concentrate while teaching anything to our kids. But in our schools, they are doing it in opposite way. They are concentrating in writing practice first, then reading, then focused on speaking. So that's why we are struggling in speaking this language because this is not our mother tongue. We are speaking more in our mother tongue. So we have to talk in English as much as we can. So we have to surround ourselves in English. If you have young children at your home, you can talk with each other. This is a very important advantage of this language. By talking with each other, you can get more practice. And let's see how to start and how to practice with them. Use small sentences with them because they will not able to understand big sentences. First, you have to choose some small sentences and then only they can understand this language. For example, come here, baby. Wake up, baby. Um, shall we brush? Okay, let's take bath. If you are giving bath to your baby, like you should ask, close your eyes. Then after some days, they will ask you, shall I close my eyes? So, as much as we can, we should conversate with them in English daily. So it is a slow process. We should not expect a result that is should be happen in one day or 1 week or 1 month. It is a slow process. We should not expect any result at the starting stage itself. If we do it again and again, they will easily able to understand this language and start to replay back to them. If you do it continuously, we can see the tremendous changes in the result. So I will add one of my daughter's clip which we have conversated in English, and often we play together like this. So you can take it as example and you can implement with your kids also. Hi baby.
Hi mommy.
Where are you going?
Going to market.
Superb. What do you want to buy there?
Vegetables.
Super. What are the vegetables that you want to buy there?
Carrot, beet, potato, brinjal, butter.
Oh, so many vegetables you want to buy there.
Oh,
Super.
mommy, I have to go.
Okay, sorry, bye. That's it, guys. All we need is to be consistent in this work. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like this video, please share with your loved ones. And if you want to tell something, comment it below. Subscribe for my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Let's grow together. Bye bye.